Ladies and gentlemen, he has lost his mind. This is a post, a real one, made by the real president of the United States that basically is tantamount to a drunk text. In it, the president of the United States claims that all of the pardons issued by President Biden are null and void. And the reasons this constitutional scholar is giving for claiming that those pardons are null and void is number one, that they were done in auto pen, and number two, that Biden didn't know anything about the cases. And I need an Advil, but let's explain why this is insane. Number one, the Constitution recognizes the president's power of pardon. It does not recognize the president's power to revoke a pardon. And the Supreme Court recognized that once issued validly, that power cannot be rescinded, cannot be revoked, and did so twice. Once in Ex parte Garland and once in United States v. Klein. Number two, the use of auto pen doesn't inherently invalidate a pardon. The point some are trying to make is that a constitutional act like this one, just like a veto, requires the personal authorization and intent of the person of the president of the United States. The use of auto pen in this case wouldn't be allowed if the signature was carried out without the intent and express authorization of the president of the United States. But you'd have to first prove that the president didn't have intent or knowledge about the signature being made, and that is clearly not the case. Number three, the claim that Biden didn't know the details about these pardons is just that. It's a claim and it's legally unsubstantiated. It would have to be proven in court, not through a tweet. But even then, that really doesn't matter because the lack of detailed knowledge does not invalidate a pardon. Once again, what matters is intent and the absence of fraud. And let's even say that there was fraud. The proper authority to nullify that pardon is a court of law, not the next president. So this entire thing lacks legal basis, constitutional foundation, and quite honestly, intelligence. But I think that by now, nobody's surprised.